Robots are becoming very commonplace in agriculture and manufacturing. They are important to kind of replace the jobs that are more repetitive or dangerous for humans. So in general, how I like to describe robots and our 6-axis arms is you have a system, it has inputs, it has outputs, and you're telling it what to do. Specifically with the 6-axis arms, something that maybe students don't understand to start with, but there's positions. So you're moving the robot to a position and you're telling it that position that it can then repeat and go to over and over again. Robotics, I feel really excited about robotics because it feels like a problem to tackle. So many times you think about the outcome of what a robot does and that it's cool to look at, but really when you're the one trying to make it happen and make it do that, it's just so many layers of problems for you to solve, and there's a lot of satisfaction when you get to actually make something and make it work.
Come on. Come on. Yes! It did it. I see it having the capability of building all our cars and building practically everything in our everyday lives, because when we have every task that's repetitive, a robot is perfect for that because it's able to do every task with perfection every time.